7 English grammar. Okay, let's start now. So we'll start from here today. Use of subordinating conjunction to combine sentence. How will you use subordinating conjunction to combine sentence? As is used to join two sentences when it convey the following meaning. As when it means because. It is raining, I shall not go to the office. As it is raining, I shall not go to the office. So as will take in the first place here when we join two sentences. I was tired, I sat down to rest. As I was tired, I sat down to rest. As at the time when it means. I reached the railway station the time the train started. As I reached the railway station, the train started. She saw her mother, she began to cry. As she saw her mother, she began to cry. He was going to office, I saw him. I saw him, now here as is in between. I saw him as he was going to the office. He was flying a kite, he fell down. He fell down as he was flying a kite. Okay, now turn the page. Next page is as, during the time when. When it means during the time when. She walked, she sang. She sang as she walked. He ate his breakfast, he read the newspaper. He ate his breakfast as he read the newspaper. As just after the time when. The sun rises, the fog disappears. As the sun rises, the fog disappears. He grew older, he became wiser. As he grew older, he became wiser. As in the same way. He ordered me, I did the work likewise. I did the work as he ordered me. My parents will tell me, I will do the same. I will do as my parents tell me. Okay. As means when, just like. Sita is tall, Gita is equally tall. Sita is as tall as Gita. Here see, as is taken two place. As just like means Sita is as tall as Gita. Two place we are using as. This well is deep, that one is equally deep. This well is as deep as that one. When as means just like the same. Okay, that means two place we will use as. Since is used to combine two sentences when it convey the following meaning. Now, since when it means because. I was busy, I could not meet him. Since I was busy, I could not do it. Since will come in between. Sorry, in the beginning. We'll start with since the sentence. She was ill, she didn't go to school. Since she was ill, she didn't go to school. Since from that time till now. Mohan went to Delhi, he has not written to me after that. Mohan has not written to me since he went to Delhi. Our teacher teaches us grammar. He started teaching at the beginning of the year. Our teacher has been teaching us grammar since the beginning of the year. While is used to combine two sentences when while is equal to during that period of time. While means during that period of time. He was playing in the garden, his sister was working. While he was playing in the garden, his sister was working. It was raining, the frogs were croaking. While it was raining, the frogs were croaking. I was playing in the ground, I lost my pen. I lost my pen while is in between. I lost my pen while playing in the ground. While, but. He likes tea, but his brother likes coffee. He likes tea while his brother likes coffee. We learned taekwondo, they learned karate. While we learned taekwondo, they learned karate. Then is used to combine two sentences when it convey the following meaning. Now see. Then in comparison with. When we compare, then. Then immediately after this, then better. Okay, now see. Then in comparison with. Rani is intelligent, Anu is more intelligent. Rani is more intelligent than Anu. The moon is bigger, the sun is bigger. The moon is bigger than the sun. Then immediately after this, we reached the station, the train arrived. No sooner, so you are using it. No sooner had we reached the train, then the train started. The doctor came in, the patient died. No sooner had the doctor come in, then the patient died. Then, to take better. He would walk, he would not beg. He would work rather than beg. I would not have tea, I would have coffee. I would not have coffee rather than tea. I would not have coffee rather than tea. He would work rather than beg. Okay, it's better to. Now see. Just then can be used with the meaning when to combine two sentences. We prayed to God for rain. Suddenly the dark clouds appeared in the sky. We prayed to God for rain. Just then the dark clouds appeared in the sky. Just then. Boys were making lot of noise as the principal came in. Boys were making lot of noise. Just then the principal came in. That means when. Because is used in the beginning of a subordinate clause to tell the reason. Just is an adverb. It is used for emphasizes now. Because is equal to since. Just because, only for this reason. It was raining, I took a taxi. Because it was raining, I took a taxi. So because in starting, I took a taxi because it was raining. This also you can write. He stole. He liked stealing. He stole just because. He stole just because he likes stealing. Okay, finish. This one also you can do. Complete the following sentences. Now you have to complete the following sentences. Okay, I saw a milkman as he was going. You can complete it as he was going to the market. You write your own sentences. This one, complete the following. You can complete it by your own self. I saw a milkman as he was going to the market. As children grow older, they become wiser. As Maya was cooking meal, she forgot about the homework. She forgot about the homework. As we were playing football, we were tired. Everybody started clapping as she got the prize. Same way the rest you will do by yourself. Rewrite the following sentences using so that. Number A you have to use so that, and number B you have to use in order that. We eat to live. Number A, we eat so that we can live. We eat in order to live. So same way, I ran fast so that I ran fast so that I can catch the thief. Number A is I ran fast so that I can catch the thief. Number B will be I ran fast in order to catch the thief. I ran fast in order to catch the thief. Number B. Same way you will do the same. This. He worked hard to win a scholarship. He worked hard so that he can win a scholarship. He worked hard in order to win a scholarship. A and B. Same way you will do the rest. Okay. Next, join the sentences as using as or as long as. Nobody can harm you as you are honest. You join here with as. Nobody can harm you as you are honest. We are safe as long as we obey the rules of road. I saw him as they were going for a walk. We kept practicing as we will win the match. Ram will be successful as long as he studies regularly. Selfish people help you as long as you are earning. So rest you do by yourself. Fill in the blanks with suitable subordinating conjunction. The pen is mightier than the sword. Suitable subordinating conjunction. He waited till our mother came. We waited till our mother came. We took a nap as we were tired. No one likes him since he avoid works. No one likes him as he avoid works. You can use anyone you. So, rest you can do by yourself. She dances much better than she sings. Okay? Do by yourself. If you try, you can do. It's very easy. Okay? Now, Mohan was working and Soham was playing. Now see. Now let's this one. 5. Combine the following pair of sentences using the sentence connector given in the bracket. The bracket is a connector, so you have to use this and combine. He knows you, I know you better. How will you combine? I know you better than him. I know you better than him. Then we have to use than him. He came here, he has been ill. Since the word is connector, so we will start with since. Since he came here, comma, he has been ill. Next, while is the connector. Suman turned on the radio, Ravi was studying. Suman turned on the radio while Ravi was studying. Next is then. Man's body is strong, his thoughts are stronger. His thoughts are stronger than man's body. Next is as. He stayed in bed as he was ill. My scooter got punctured, I reached half an hour late. Because my scooter got, the connector is because, so because my scooter got punctured, I reached half an hour late. Same way rest you will do by yourself. All the connectors are here, you see. Examples are there, you see and do by yourself. For today this much. I think we have finished the chapter. Thank you.